Hello everyone, my name is Fong Vule. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to arrange multiple videos into just one screen and they're gonna be played at the same time. And in this video I use Premiere and also Pedcatch, which is a tool to stimulate the working experience, working distance that we will have in a time. This basically will be based on the street network, and also you can use like just street network, or you can use the satellite view. And in this video screen I divided into 9 slots, and each of them will be 32% of the screen because I want to spare some space for the line to separate the frame. And firstly, we're gonna go into Pedcatch to make our source video, and you have to do it one by one for as many videos as you want. And in this case, I just use 9 videos only. And firstly, I'm gonna start with Ottawa in Canada, which is the capital city. And here you can see that the street network that Pedcatch use, basically this stimulation not based on the identity of the city or location, or also don't show the security or working experience in this area. So just the street network, the distance, and the calculation. In this case, I use 10-minute walking, and the normal walking speed, 1-star marker, and then I'm gonna start. Alright, and you're gonna see for a little while, yeah, you see that the outside route is the like in within 10 minutes you can reach that far, but in this situation, in this location, this city, for this network, you just can reach the inner line only. And I'm gonna do that for the other 8 cities, which is here already prepared. Yeah, and then I'm gonna open Premiere and import all of them into Premiere. Then I'm gonna drag and drop them into the right part, which is, you're gonna see the timeline then. Yeah, and you can adjust the view, the scale bar under. Alright, for the first video, basically when you record a screen with Pedcatch, maybe in different time, different situation, different machine will be it's gonna be different videos and different length. So maybe you have to trim and cut each video and choose which part you actually need for the final video. And in this case, I'm gonna adjust a little bit. I'll cut the end and the beginning a little bit in each video, and you can drag and drop the may I call the rule here? Yeah. Alright, I put somewhere that I feel right time. Yeah, right when after the stimulation end. Yeah, that's it. I want this screen to be stuck. Alright, I'll cut them, and then I'll go to the beginning and try to find out where the stimulation is about to start. Because otherwise, before that, it's just the map and street network. nothing there, so just use the next one with Pedcatch stimulation. And I'm gonna cut the beginning of this video a little bit, and then after cutting, I'll go to the duration and speed editing. Then I'm gonna, because we have two ways to adjust it. Firstly, you can adjust like me, like I use percentage to perform, but actually, in my opinion, you should use the time below. You can put the exact timing for all of these videos, so they're gonna have just roughly 18 or 20 seconds for playing. All of them will be adjusted slower or faster depend on the stimulation, but you're gonna have the final video exactly the same. If you don't get what I mean, you just give it a try, and you'll see it by yourself. Really simple. And here I'm gonna scale the video, the first video, which is I told you before in the beginning of this instruction that we're gonna scale it just into 32% and drag it in the like the first slot, and then for this video we just treat them like the layers in Photoshop, which is that we're gonna be put one by one upper, and then you see this timeline. When you hit the play button, all of them will be played at the same time. It's like the layers, so now all the videos is overlapping, so you have to scale them and drag them to different positions, so they won't be won't be hidden by each other. And just 32 for each of them, like that. It's quite easy, and it's just only approximate, not exactly right, because if you want it to be roughly straight in a line, you have to use the you see over there in the top left, you see the position, over there, you should use the it's like the X and Y axis that we use in coordinate, and the video on the same row will have the same X value. I'm sorry, the video on the same row will have the same Y value, and the video on the same column will have the same X value. I must say again about the X and Y axis. It's just the X axis is like the horizontal direction, and the Y axis is the vertical direction. And drag and drop them. Now I have 3. Okay. It's quite easy, right? And now I have Canberra for the center. Canberra is the capital city of Australia. So in my group exercise, we study about Canberra. So I'll put Canberra in the center, so we have a better comparison for which with the other cities. Yeah, and here we are. This is just a draft version of the video, so I was just gonna show you quickly how to arrange the video, but exactly how to organize them will be a further consideration and further arrangement for the X and Y coordinate. Yeah, now I'm gonna edit the X and Y coordinate to make the video on the same line. You're gonna see the videos on the same row will have roughly the same Y value, which is the second value in position we have, and the first value is the X axis for checking the video on the same column. Yeah, now I drag the camera into the center. And now you can see that all the video is roughly 15 seconds only, and they're gonna be arranged in 9 slots and a screen. Yeah, and that's it. And just notice the videos only, not the text, please. I'm gonna show you in the next video for the text animation. Yeah, we're now having the 9 videos into just one screen by Premiere. Thank you for watching.